Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i30. In this video I'll show you how to connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. To connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, prepare correct cable. This car does not support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly, so your cable connect to USB port in the center of the car and then connect it to your smartphone. Unlock the smartphone and now allow connection. Continue. And now you can enter Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.